In your business, you know that what you water will always grow. Well, your customers are no different. But nurturing those connections takes time that you may not have. QuickBooks Customer Hub, powered by Mailchimp, transforms the way you strengthen your customer relationships. It starts as soon as your customer pays their invoice. A customizable post-invoice survey is automatically sent, prompting your customers to make new work requests, provide feedback, and input referrals with ease. And everything is delivered straight to you in the Customer Hub. Oh look, your customer loved the work you did. They've requested a follow-up service in a month. You can review their request, create and send an estimate. Done. Keep track of customer referrals, which are automatically asked for after reviews of 4 stars or higher, so you can grow your customer base and your revenue. You can view a referral and add them as a new customer on the spot, or reach out with an email, automatically drafted to help you respond faster. Watch customer feedback come in, send a note back, or use it as a testimonial to spread the good word about your services. That's one customer leading to another, and, well, you get the idea. Existing customers create the foundation. New customers help you grow. QuickBooks Customer Hub, powered by Mailchimp, strengthens your customer relationships, turning every customer into a loyal advocate for your business.